Hello guys, I'm Nikki, and if you're just tuning into my channel, it's best you subscribe so you don't get to miss out on interesting skincare mixtures like Afghan cream, Egyptian whitening lotion, 7 days whitening cream, glowing cream, toning cream, serums, whitening oils, glowing oils, whitening African black soap, body wash yet to be displayed on my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about anti-aging oils. As we grow older, we notice changes in our body. For example, we begin to experience wrinkles, shaky palms, saggy skin, drier skin. This experience is inevitable, but there are ways to help the body slow down on its aging process. The food we eat also contributes to our aging process. Our lifestyles and the cream we use has an effect on our body looking radiant, younger and beautiful. I'm going to disclose the anti-aging oil that can help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, sagging skin, age spots, and helps shimmer that aging skin, making our skin look younger and vibrant again. Now, get an 100 empty bottle container, measure half argan oil into the container. That will be 50 ml of the argan oil in the container. Argan oil is best known to work for all skin types and also helps aging skin revitalize a youthful glow. Add 20 ml of almond oil into the container. Sweet almond oil is also good for all skin types, but takes a longer time to absorb into the skin. Measure another 20 ml rosehip oil into the container. Rosehip oil is best known for generating skin cells. It can be used for dry skin, normal skin, and anti-aging skin, since its best ability is to help the skin have a firmness and help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Add 10 ml of rose oil into the container. This oil is the best oil meant for anti-aging, though expensive, but it's worth the value of the money. Shake the mixture together and apply on the face. After washing your face, make sure the face is a bit damp when applying the oil on your face, and watch how your skin will look ageless over time. You will begin to notice disappearance in wrinkles, fine lines, and your body will begin to have that youthful glow you've always craved for. Now, for those who have aged and are still suffering from acne as they age, you're going to be killing two birds with one stone using these oils I'm about to tell you. Gonna listen now. Get an empty 100 ml container. Add quarter jojoba oil into the container. Jojoba oil is perfect for all skin type and for people suffering from acne prone skin. Add quarter argan oil into it. Argan oil works for all skin types, most especially helps give your skin a beautiful glow. Add 20 ml grapeseed oil into the oil mixture. That is grapeseed oil, though not best for dried skin, but it can be used for oily skin, normal skin, and acne prone skin. Add 20 ml of Tamanu oil into the container. Tamanu oil is the perfect oil for acne prone skin, oily skin, and scarred skin. Add 10 ml of Palmarosa oil into the container. Palmarosa oil is great for acne prone skin and aging skin. Then you shake the mixture together and apply on the affected area after bathing. The oil mixture passed through 3 stages. That is, it had a base oil that was first added into the container. Then it had nourishing ingredients that was added in the middle. Then the final stage that filled up the bottle was an essential oil. So the oil mixture contains all the necessary nourishment needed to rejuvenate and revitalize an aging skin. For more interesting videos on how to erase your acne in just few days, you can just click on the videos that will be displayed on the screen now. And for those who are still interested in purchasing my ebook, you can just holler at me for your copy. And thanks for watching my video. Catch you later. Bye guys. Hello YouTubers. If you've been watching my video and you've not subscribed, please do so and click on the link that will be displayed below this video right now and subscribe to my channel so you don't get to miss out on interesting videos yet to come. Thanks guys. Bye.